Hello, in this Wago tutorial, we will show you how to install an additional CodeSys version with its own folders for libraries and device descriptions. When programming controllers, it is important that the firmware version of the controller matches the CodeSys version. For example, the PFC firmware 26 is released for CodeSys 3.5 Service Pack 19 Patch 2. However, this also means that the device description, which includes the device descriptions and Wago libraries, is dependent on the firmware and CodeSys version. For this reason, the dependencies for the CodeSys version, the firmware, the device description, and so on, are always specified in the Wago Download Center and made available as a download package. To program controllers with an older firmware version, you also need the corresponding older CodeSys version. You can easily install another version simultaneously either via the Wago Download Center or the CodeSys installer. However, there has always been a small catch that has often made life difficult for programmers. You then have a different version of CodeSys, but all installed versions share the same folder for libraries and device descriptions. This means you'll need to manually adjust the versions of the device descriptions and required libraries afterwards to ensure a reliable, executable development environment. To simplify this process, CodeSys offers the Sandbox Lite feature starting from Service Pack 19 Patch 6. This allows you to select during the installation dialog that separate folders should be created for the device descriptions and libraries for this version. For PFC firmware 27, we need CodeSys version Service Pack 19 Patch 7. We have downloaded this version, and in the installation dialog, we first switch to Custom Mode and then select the option Yes, install repositories in separate folders, only for this installation. After installing the new CodeSys version and the device description, we can check the File Explorer and see the additional folder for the libraries here and the one for the device description here, which are exclusively for this particular CodeSys version. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, and contact the Wago Support Center if you have any questions.